It's nice. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I know it's been long overdue, but I'm gonna be doing a update on my texturizer. Well, I'm gonna be doing a texturizer today, and let me confirm how long it's been. So my last texturizer was 4 months ago, 4 months, and at that point the last one, which was the first one, was 2 months. So as you can see, I'm clearly stretching it longer and longer. So I'm gonna be doing it again today, and like I always say, do it on dirty hair. So I just like took down some faux locks last night, didn't get the time to like pull these out, so I'm gonna do that now and then come back to you guys when I'm applying the texturizer to my hair. Okay, but while I'm doing this, I would like to say a few things about the texturizer. Like, I'm still getting comments of people asking like how it holds up, how it's holding up, and how it's going now. Like, it's going good, my hair is growing, so that's also a good sign. It's not breaking or anything, but I think I'm long overdue for a protein treatment, so I'm gonna do that probably 2 weeks from now after I do this, because I don't want to do it directly after adding the chemical to my hair. I think right now I'm even considering like getting a cut, like maybe like a diva cut or a heart shape cut, not sure, because right now my hair doesn't really have a definite shape, and right now my hair probably looks like straight, because when I was actually doing the sections for the faux locks, my hair was stretched already. Like, I was wearing buns for like a week, so that's why it might look straight, but I assure you it's pretty curled. Like, the curls are there. And I also will be showing you guys how I do my updated wash and go, but I don't think I'll put it in this video because I don't want to like make it too long. So I'm back guys, and as you can see, my hair all pulled out, everything, and as usual I'm using the same product all the time, the African Pride Shea Miracle Texture Elongated System. And again, I'll be going for the medium to normal time, which is 8 to 12 minutes. 8 to 12 minutes. Just to protect my hairline, I'm gonna add some Vaseline. I'm gonna use the Curl Control pre-treatment that comes in the kit on my hair, even though I'm not really putting the texturizer like on my whole hair shaft. I'm still gonna use this because it's really moisturizing, and just in case it does get on the rest of my hair, then gonna get the normalizing shampoo. Wow. So as usual, like I always say, leave the edges for last because those are the most sensitive areas. So I'm gonna leave the edges for last, and I think this time I'm gonna start at the front because the back of my hair is looser than the front, so I'm gonna start at the front. And this is how small the bottle is. It is 5 ounces, and it will do your hair because when I filmed the first video and I was doing it, I was like, this is so small, it may not work, but it did. Like, it did everything. So it should be enough for a touch-up. And I'm just putting it at the roots, and I'm not combing through it or anything, just as is. And I'm sorry in advance if you can hear the plastic in the mic because it's really loud in my ears. And you have to be quick with it, guys, because like I said, I'm working with the normal to medium time, which is 8 to 12 minutes. Don't want to do it any more than that and risk it being straight. So you just have to be swift with it. Okay, so I'm back and it is now 4:26. I think I'm gonna keep it in for 8 more minutes because sometimes I count in the application time in the 8 to 12 minutes. So I'm gonna keep it in for 8 more minutes, the least, well, the most, and look at it while I'm timing it, just to see if it's getting where I need it to get. I mean, it looks fine now, but I'm gonna have to wash it because I don't want it to get too straight. It's looking good and it's feeling good. The roots are much more relaxed and not puffy like before with the new growth. Maybe the edges because I did those last and they didn't stay for as long as the rest of the hair, but it's nice. But now it's just for me to do my wash and go, and honestly not sure if I want to do it again. Kind of want to trim my hair instead, which I probably will film separately. So thank you guys for watching my 6-month update on my texturized hair. Yeah, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do to my hair now. Probably will try to like wear it in a puff, like an afro, like a wash and go or something, or put on a wig, not sure. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing, staying subscribed even though the videos have not been coming out as much as I would like. And welcome to new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing, and if you haven't already, please subscribe, turn on the post notification, and like this video. And I'll see you guys in my next one.